family lived in Cripes, West Virginia. It was a small, quiet community. We all knew each other. There was mom and dad, me, my identical twin brothers, and my baby sister. We rented the house from a retired school teacher, Mrs. Blagama. And I loved living in that house. It was only a 2-bedroom. It had a huge yard and a long driveway, and I learned to drive a stick shift on a Ford Mustang my dad had bought me. And in the summers, me and my brothers and our friends from Cartwright branch would walk Buffalo Creek Road to Latrobe because that's where the Boy Scout camp was, and it had a big swimming pool.
There was a Boy Scout camp that we visited regularly. Every summer we would camp out, and I knew the groundskeeper, Andrew Johnson. He was one of the people that I knew that got killed in the flood.
Describe life before the flood there. What was it like growing up?
Oh, we have a lot of community kids playing ball, doing those things, playing together, sleighing together. Just in the communities, the neighbors. You had a lot of fenced neighbors there. From one fence there, and you was respectful of all the neighbors because all they had to do is say something to your parents and you was in trouble. You was always Mr. this and Mr. that. And and the neighbors, like I said, they talked back and forth, and all the women talked across the fences, or the swings was always turned. If you noticed on the homes, there were a lot of swings were turned towards each other on the porches, so they could talk across the porch, across the swings. Real community, real close. All coal mining people, so they all worked together, most of them did.
I started my teenage years in that house, so there's a lot of good memories. I was 16 years old on February 26, 1972, a sophomore at Mann High School.